Hi there, guys. I'm coming to you with a unboxing video, as you can tell by the title. I wanted to do this on camera. I just got a new Apple Watch, and I wanted to come and do the unboxing on camera. And as you can see, it's the Series 6. It's the silver aluminum white sport band, and it's 44 millimeters. Okay, let's see what we have. I've watched so many videos of people doing their unboxing a few months back, and I wanted to do my unboxing on camera. You know, a lot of times you just want to do things because you want to make sure that everything is the way that it should be. And yes, I remember seeing other people. Oh, wow. This is amazing. Okay, and here's, okay, here. And we're going to go in here first because from what I understand, this is the watch band. Let me turn it around so that you're going to be able to see it. So, okay. Right. And we have this. And here we go. And this is the band. And this is the, let me turn it around, the medium large band. And this one is the small medium band, which I will be using the medium large band. Like I say, I've watched so many videos. Oh, I like the feel of this. I do. Wow, this is so nice. My goodness. Okay. And so, I'll leave that one in there. And I'll put these to the side. And now let's get into this watch. Oh my, that's a nice, oh. And this is, the instructions to how to set it up. And as you know, I think you might know, this is the charger. Okay. I like, oh wow, this is really nice. I've seen so many videos. I'm the kind that when I get something, even before I get it, especially something like this, I always watch videos. I mean, lots and lots of videos to see what's going on, see what I'm doing. Well, now let's see if we can't take out the actual watch itself. And this is, from what I understand, this is the paper that's on it. So I'm going to remove this. And it has that on there, if you can see it. I don't think you can. There you go. Tells what size it is. Oh man, this is so nice. From there, okay. All right. Well, let's see if we can't get this band on, because I've watched so many videos that show how to slide the band on until it clicks. And then I'll slide this side, I think it is, until this one clicks. I hope I'm not. Just slides in, or else I might have to. Okay, there we go. I'll do it this way. Okay. And I just turned my watch on. I'm sorry. It's going to be on my left arm. Oh man, this is nice. Wow. Okay. But I'm going to take it. I just want to make sure it fit. But I'm going to take it off right now so that I am able to pair it. Well, I think I'm doing. Am I doing it right? Okay, here we go. Okay, it's paired, guys. Now to set up the Apple Watch. My left wrist. And right now it's connecting. And I will agree. Okay, I'm going to enter my password. Okay, we got that part done. Want to make sure I'm still in the frame. Okay, I'll just. Enable that. Continue. Next. Continue. 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 Now it is syncing, guys. I know my phone, but it's not really my phone face that's dirty. I have a screen protector on here that's dirty to keep my phone from being, so I have a screen protector. That's where all the prints and stuff are coming from. So okay, now it has been synced, and now let me see. All right, guys. Well, for now, that's all I'm going to do until I learn more about what I am doing. All right. Well, I basically want to do an unboxing and a setup. And so as I go along, I'll keep you informed on how things are going and how much I've learned about this. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. And I just wanted to show you at the end of the video, I know someone sees, yes, I've done my nails, but I have not polished them. I have not put a top coat on them, and I plan to do that. But I had done the French manicure. I just wanted something really simple this time. All right, guys. Talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye.